down to the street and then back to my house. Watch your step, I'm number 1B. Come on in, I'm sorry for the mess. I saw you standing there, and I asked you for a light. I slightly touched my hair. You looked as I hoped you might. I throw my head back as I laugh. I touch your arms, look into your eyes. We'll say some words that I'll forget. We both know they're mostly lies. The dialogue starts to lie. The smoke's all burning down. We do a little calculation and suggest we get another round. But as the music swells, you take your chance to bending close as if to hear. But then you say, ain't magic words. Do you want to get out of here? And I say, follow me. Why don't you follow me down the street and then back to my house? Watch your step, I'm number 1B. Come on in, I'm sorry for the mess. You probably think she's being bad, well that's just going straight to hell. But this is just a girl who wants